The same calorie consumption, 5 home workouts that replace fitness. In quarantine, you can maintain a normal figure thanks to 5 homework. They will replace fitness for calorie expenditure and help you safely survive the self-isolation mode with minimal loss. In the British magazine Good Housekeeping, they published the results of a study in which experts calculated how much energy a person spends during housekeeping. It turned out that putting things in order in the room is comparable to doing physical exercises in the gym. Therefore, it is not necessary to gain weight in quarantine, citing a lack of activity. Experts found that dusting takes 109 calories, because you have to moisten and twist the rag. Such movements train the muscles of the arms and abdomen due to the need to bend over. Intensive pace cleaning has a positive effect on the heart. In terms of effectiveness, it is similar to brisk walking or slow running. While working with a vacuum cleaner, a person spends 96 calories. In this case, the press and the muscles of the back are involved. On a wet floor cleaning leaves 90 calories. In this case, the shoulder girdle, latissimus and neck muscles receive the load. 79 calories are spent on cleaning the bathroom. This time spending on energy consumption is comparable to 20 minutes of ballroom dancing. Window washing requires 79 calories, which is similar to doing a rowing machine. Energy consumption was calculated for women aged 40 years, height 174 kilograms with a body weight of 64 kilograms, who perform cleaning for half an hour. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.